What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Joe's RC Garage. Just came back from the hobby store. Did a little Black Friday shopping. Picked up a new rig from Go Hobbies. Great local hobby shop. They got a lot of things in stock right now for the holidays, so go check them out. We're going to unbox the new Arma TLR tuned Typhon. This is a race ready rolling buggy, 8 scale, 4-wheel drive. It was between this and the new Vendetta, but I've been wanting a buggy for a while, so I had to pick this up when I saw it. It's just absolutely beautiful. Let's see what it has. We're going to unbox it real quick. It's got the 7075 aluminum chassis, heavy duty drivetrain, oil filled adjustable shocks, the T6 7075 front and rear shock towers, lots of adjustments for it, tunable wing. This thing is an absolute beast. I got a lot of plans for this. I'm gonna try some speed runs with it, see if I can hit that infamous triple digits with it. I think I can. For now, I'm just gonna throw some stock electronics that I have just laying around. I don't know what kind of electronics I'm gonna go with just yet, but just gonna get it out. We're gonna do a quick run on it. I'm not a racer, so I'm not gonna really take it to the track, but definitely gonna basically speed run it. And for now, I'm gonna put a 6S Spectrum system in it, but in the future, who knows, I might make it 4S, 6S. I haven't even decided what I'm gonna do with it. Might put some pro lines or some foams on it for some speed runs. Basically, I'm just gonna do a lot of different things with this buggy. Super excited to have this on the channel. Let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Super excited about this buggy. I'm gonna put it together probably tonight, and I'll have a running video for it first thing tomorrow, and hopefully the video will be up by then. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what comes inside the box. Of course, you got your manual, your tunable wing, different wing mounts, some instructions, some screws. This looks great. Suspension feels nice and plush on this buggy. I think this thing is going to handle really nice. The Typhon's already a beast as just a regular ready to run Typhon. This being a little bit more race tuner friendly should handle awesome. So we're definitely going to not only speed run it, but we are definitely going to bash it. So let me put the electronics in it. This thing looks beautiful. I'm telling you guys, the camera is not doing this thing any justice right now. The pink and the purple. At first when I saw it in the videos, I was like, I'm not a fan. And then seeing it in person completely changes my mind on it. This thing is an absolute animal. Let's see what it looks like inside. We're gonna put a 6S system in here for now. ESC. See what kind of batteries fit in here. But the suspension on this bad boy is just so plush. It's amazing. What's different from the ready to run regular Typhon, there's no mud guards on it, and this one does. And like I said, the wing is tunable, so as you can see, the rear shock towers have a lot of adjustments as compared to the ready to run. So this thing is built like a tank. Let me put the electronics in it. Like I said, I'm gonna put a Spectrum system for now. Don't know what I'm gonna do in the future. And we'll see. So let me get everything on and we'll probably have it ready for tomorrow, but this thing looks beautiful. Let's get to it. So we're going to drop this 2050 Spectrum in it with a 20 tooth pinion in it, and we'll see how it does. Like I said, I don't know if I want to go 4S or 6S on it, but for now we're going to go 6S. We're going to go big. Alright guys, next day, it's done. We got a full Spectrum system in here, 2050 kV. We're going to run it on 6S. We're going to run it on 4S. We're going to speed run it on 4S and 6S, see how it does. I got a 20 tooth pinion on there, and I got a stock Spectrum servo as well. So fully Spectrum system. Took it off one of my other rigs that I haven't been using it in a while. So maiden run. Let's see how it does. Maiden run for us. Here we go. Track, start. Let's see what it does. Watch it, Jacob. Go one more time. Let's see what it did on 4S. This is the Arma TLR tuned Typhon, a 1/8 scale race buggy roller. This thing, as you see in my thumbnail, is, in my opinion, is the most versatile RC platform, and it's a great platform. Basically, you could do anything with this thing. You can probably race it, you can bash it, you can speed run it. It handles pretty amazing. I mean, just there's nothing that this RC can't do. Makes it a ton of fun, well worth it, and a great addition to any RC enthusiast out there. So if you've been looking for a buggy and you want to put your own electronics on it, then the Arma TLR tuned is a no-brainer. Thank you for watching, guys. I got a lot of planned content coming up with this buggy. Definitely going to change those pin needle tires that are track tires. Definitely something give me a little bit better for the speed run. And definitely we're going to bash it. We're going to send it off the ramp. Some more speed runs with it. And yeah, overall just a really great platform, and in my opinion one of the most versatile RCs you can buy. Thanks again guys, and we'll see you next week.